Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. If you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And I recommend to download and install the Connect IQ Store application on the phone that is paired with your watch, because it makes installation of applications more convenient, I would say, a lot easier. And to do that, we need to basically open the App Store and download it from there. Before that though, make sure that you have internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and once you do, open the App Store on your phone. I'm gonna use the Play Store because this is the Android device, but if you're using iPhone, you can also open the App Store on your iPhone and the application will be in there. So open the App Store, tap on search and type in Connect IQ Store. Let me lower the brightness of the phone a little. Okay. Here we have it, the Connect IQ Store application. Let's tap on it, then tap on install to install it. And once the application is done installing, we can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, let's tap on welcome, continue, check the box to confirm and tap next. Allow the required permission if you see the pop-up on the screen. And now you should see the homepage of the IQ Store, and here we have different categories for the apps and watch faces, and you can browse through here, look for something you like, and if you find the app you want, you can simply tap on it to open the info page of it. But I'm just gonna tap on search, and here I'm gonna scroll through the categories, select apps, and it will narrow my search only to applications, and I can scroll through the list, find something I like. And like I said before, once you find the app you want to install, tap on it, and here we have a app info. We have the big install button. Before that though, you can also check the info like screenshots, reviews. You can check the changelog, so updates and stuff like that. We have additional information like version, updated on, size, and you can also check the list of compatible devices. So if you want to make sure that it works with your watch, you can tap on compatible devices. Look for the Forerunner. Okay, it should be somewhere here. And let's look for 965, and it is on the list, so the app will work with our watch. So once you decide to install the application, tap on install button and wait. Sometimes it takes quite a while for the applications to install, because maybe the watch is installing an update or something is before the app in the queue. So if it's not installing immediately, I recommend to just wait, and at some point it will just install. And as you can see here, we have the pop-up that the application was installed. We can tap on got it, and now instead of the install button, we have the settings. And if you go to your watch, open the favorites by pressing the start button on the home screen. Scroll down. At the bottom you will see the icon of your app, and you can tap on it to open the application. Right here. Okay. And of course you can install multiple apps if you want to, by simply finding the apps, tapping on the install button and installing them. For example, calculator. And if you want to check the list of applications installed on your watch, you can always go back to the homepage of the IQ Store, tap on device icon. Here tap on my device apps, and we have the list of applications installed on our watch. Okay. And that's how you install applications on this watch. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.